Hello children, a warm welcome to all to the online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Jayapriya here from the Department of Mathematics to teach you how to solve subtraction word problems. See children, subtraction word problems are easy to solve just like addition word problems. You can follow the following terms to identify subtraction word problems. That is difference, take away, less than, remaining, left, borrow and minus. And also for solving word problems, we have to follow the following steps. Step 1. Read and understand what do we need to find out. And second one, find the information given in the problem. Third one, decide the operation to be used. And finally, solve the problem. Okay, so now let us see some word problems using subtraction. Here we have one question. So first, read and understand what do we need to find out. So children, read the question. That is, a farmer collected 2,568 mangoes from his mango orchard. He sold 1,235 mangoes. Then, how many mangoes are left? So, in this question, what are the informations given? Yes, total number of mangoes is given and also how many mangoes he sold is given. So, what do we need to find out in this question? Read the last sentence. Yes, how many mangoes are left? Clear? So, we can start to solve. So, write the first statement. What will be the first statement? Yes, total number of mangoes collected. Or you can simply write number of collected mangoes is equal to 2,568. Then what is second statement? Yes, number of mangoes sold, that is equal to 1,235. Then what will be the last statement? Yes, number of mangoes left, that is equal to 2,568 minus 1,235, that is equal to 1,333. So, the number of mangoes left is equal to 1,333. Okay? Now, let us look one more example. There are 3,050 houses in a town. 1,505 houses are painted red. How many houses are not painted red? See children, in this question, what are the informations given? Yes, total number of houses is given and also number of houses painted is given. Then what we need to find out? Yes, how many houses are not painted red? That means number of houses left to paint. So we can start to write the first statement. What will be the first statement? Yes, number of houses is equal to 3,050. Then write second statement as number of houses painted, that is equal to, or you can simply write painted houses is equal to 1,505. Then what will be the last statement? Yes, number of houses are not painted, or you can write down houses left to paint. Okay, or write down houses not painted is equal to 3,050 minus 1,505, that is equal to 1,545. So children, in this question, the number of houses are not painted is equal to 1545. Okay children, now I believe you all have understood how to solve subtraction word problems. Isn't it? Okay, now our third lesson subtraction is over. Okay, see children, in this lecture video, I explained the same questions from your textbook on page number 32 and 33. So please copy these questions into your notebook and send into sgpsoil325ans@gmail.com. Clear? Then see children, the subtraction is a little bit confusing topic. Please practice more and more problems from your home. Okay, our next lesson is multiplication. So children, you all should practice the multiplication table 1 to 10 from your home. See you again with another lesson. Till then, take care. Bye.